What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today, guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on the Stoeger STR-9. I did an initial video about a week and a half ago, and I talk about all the problems I've had out of the Stoeger STR-9. I could not get it to run using various different types of ammo. I couldn't even get through 20 rounds without some type of failure. I had every failure that you could think of. So what I did, I decided to send it back to Stoeger. I want to tell you guys how that went and kind of like what the process is. The first thing I did was I sent an email to Stoeger. They responded within 24 hours, gave me all the shipping labels, instructed me how to send this gun back, and I went and sent it back via UPS. About a week later, I got the gun back. Now, I don't know what they repaired on this gun, but I will say that the serial number is different from the gun that I sent in. So they may have just swapped it and gave me a new gun altogether. So customer service is excellent when it comes to Stoeger. Hopefully this gun runs a lot better than the first one. So all I got back in the box was a shipping label, and it says replacing T6429 19 uniform 03561. So that's a different serial number than the original gun. So perhaps they just gave me a brand new gun. Regardless, I hope that the problem is fixed. I'm gonna do a full review here in the next couple of days, but I still will hold off on buying this. Let me run it and see did they in fact do anything to repair this gun. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm out. Peace.